Go ahead and hit the record. Okay, you're recording now. That's good. All right. So now I put the tarp up here, and I had this leaning up against the fence because the way I put it down is I carry it like this and then lean it up against the fence. So the way I pick it up is to go like this and put it up on my back like this. Pretty easy, right? And then I walk around. Got to make sure the door's open. Good to have the seat belt down and out of the way. And very carefully hop up into the car, very carefully, and then once I'm in here, all I'm aiming for is that peg right there. Make sure the peg goes in the hole, and the peg went in, and then just drop it down. And that's how easy it is to do what I call the turtle. You can turn it off.